In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Trello boards with Rewind 5 minutes. Let's get your Trello data protected in just a few moments. Backups are essential for peace of mind, whether you're guarding against accidental deletions, tracking changes over time, or meeting team and compliance needs. We'll use the Rewind Power Up, which securely backs up your boards, cards, attachments, and activity history. Start by logging into Trello in your browser. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has admin access to the boards you want to protect, since adding power-ups usually requires that permission. From your Trello home, open the board you want to back up. If you manage multiple boards, you can repeat this process later, but we'll start with one board to get everything set up. At the top of the board, open the Power-Ups menu, then choose Add Power-Ups to open Trello's directory. In the search bar, type Backups for Trello. This is the Rewind integration. Click into it, review the details if you'd like, and then select Add to add the power-up to your current board. Trello may ask you to confirm, just approve to continue. Back on your board, open the Rewind power-up from the board header or right side panel and go to its settings. Follow the prompts to authorize access so Rewind can read your board content for backups. You'll see a permissions screen explaining what's being accessed. This is necessary for capturing cards, lists, attachments, and other metadata. Authorization applies to the board where you added the power-up. If you don't already have a Rewind account, you'll be redirected to create one and link it to Trello. Just follow the on-screen steps to complete the connection. In many cases, a free trial will start as soon as you connect. Once connected, your first backup begins automatically. The initial run might take a few minutes depending on how many cards and attachments you have, but you can keep working in Trello while it runs. Look for status or confirmation within the Power-Up panel or your Rewind account to verify that the backup is in progress. After the first backup completes, Rewind will continue backing up changes on a schedule, so your data stays up to date without extra effort. If authorization is ever removed or the Power-Up is disabled, backups will pause until you reconnect. For best results, ensure you maintain admin access and keep attachments accessible so they're included in the backup. That's all you need to safeguard your Trello board with Rewind. Your first backup is underway and ongoing protection is set.